I have a question for you. How's your relationship? If it is anything less than amazing, stick around because I'm going to be talking about repairing relationships. 3 reasons why your relationship might not be working and how to fix it. Hi, it's Julie from Julie Holmes Life Coaching, and welcome back. If you're new to this channel, then welcome. And since you're here, why don't you hit the subscribe button so that you can be notified anytime I have new videos coming out. And I do have new videos coming out every week on all topics self-development. And I would love to see your beautiful face back here again. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and we'll get started. So today in this video, I am going to be talking about repairing relationships. And I will be revealing the 3 reasons why your relationship might not be working out and how to fix it. Reason number 1, you are playing at the wrong level. What does that mean? Okay, there are 3 levels of love in a relationship. So level 1 in a relationship is called baby love. And it's a very demanding type of relationship where one of the 2 partners is, let's say, extremely selfish, slightly narcissistic, and probably extremely insecure. And if you are in this type of relationship, whether you're the one demanding or whether you're the one who is receiving the demands, this type of relationship is not going to last very long. So level 2 of a relationship is what's called horse trading. And it's a very give to get type of relationship. Now, I find that a lot of couples actually live in this level, and it's sustainable, but it is not ideal because you're not doing things for the other person because you want to. You're doing things for the other person because you expect something in return, and vice versa. I'll do this for you if you do this for me. Like, it's just not ideal in a relationship. And what is ideal is level 3. And level 3 of a relationship is just love. Love because you want to. Love and give because you want to make the other person happy, not because you expect anything in return. And if you are living in this level 3 relationship, love, where you are just giving, giving, giving for 90 days, your relationship will absolutely transform for the better. And if for whatever reason you are struggling in your relationship right now and you give yourself this 90-day challenge where you're going to just give, love, love, love because you want to, because it feels good to do it, if you do it for 90 days and for whatever reason your partner does not respond or your relationship does not transform for the better, then most likely this relationship is not going to work out. Sorry to tell you that. So if you can, I would really recommend you trying this 90-day challenge where you're just giving, 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 and see how much better your relationship will be at the end of the 90 days. So the second reason your relationship might not be working out is because the polarity is off. So what does that mean? Well, in every relationship, there is a masculine energy and a feminine energy. And that doesn't mean male and female. It doesn't mean man or woman. It means masculine energy and feminine energy. And a lot of times, these roles will be flipped. And I see a lot of men who grow up in households where their mother is the dominant partner in the relationship. And because these 2 parents are their role models and that's all they know, they think that this is how a relationship is supposed to be. So they approach relationships in a very wimpy sort of way. Okay, men, listen up. Women might tell you that they like to be in the dominant position, that they like to push you around or tell you what to do. The fact of the matter is they are either lying to themselves or they've never experienced a relationship with the proper polarity, because women do not respect men that allow them to push them around. So my advice to you, men, is tap into your masculinity. And that doesn't mean be aggressive. That doesn't mean be violent. Tap into your masculinity and show up that way, because women will respect you so much more. So the third reason why your relationship might not be working out is because you're not meeting each other's needs. Now, first of all, you need to know what your partner's needs are in order to meet them. So let's say if one partner values tons of affection and tons of attention and the other partner doesn't, the other partner values needing to be told, I love you 3 times a day in order to feel loved and feel appreciated, most likely your partner is going to be giving you their needs and vice versa. So unless you ask your partner, what do you need in order to feel loved and appreciated, you're not going to know how to meet those needs. And so have that conversation, communicate with them, ask them what their needs are, and communicate with them what your needs are, so that you are both on the same page and you know what you should be doing in order to make the other person happy. So if you found any of this information in this video useful to help you in your relationship, type in the comments section below what was your biggest takeaway. And if you like this video, please click the like button below. Share it with a friend who maybe is struggling in their relationship. And remember to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. And I will see you in the next video. Access your free video training, The Truth About Happiness, in the description below.